Then on the 10th of February, we have the 10, the 2, the 8, the 10, so double 10s, and the path is a 4. So today, with the double 10s, it's a tense day. So I would start shaking the day, just shake off the tension that you have. Take some deep breaths and really be present and have your goal clear. Just take 1 or 2 moments to really feel like, okay, tonight when I go to bed, I want to feel so. I want to have energy, I want to be grateful, and I want to have some, I don't want to feel like, oh, I'm so tired. No. Really contain yourself, and from your containment, focus. That's going to help you. And the 4 was really reminding us, don't make too much and too big promises. Just step by step, 1 day at a time, 1 step at a time, and that will get you towards your goal. So take it easy today and relax, breathe, and know where you're going.